how to connect this DJI Mavic Mini Drone with this DJI Mavic Mini RC controller. It is too much easy. So first of all, you have to connect your RC controller with this type of cable. So you will get this cable when you will purchase a DJI Mavic Mini Drone. Then after that, you have to attach your phone. So in this time, I'm using an Android phone. Just you have to insert the cable. Okay. So in your phone, you make sure you have installed a application that is known as a DJI Fly. Okay, so this is an app. So make sure first of all you need this DJI Fly application available, and you have to log in here. Okay, so if you click in the profile, you will get this few options. So first of all, when you will install this application, then you have to log in inside here. After that, so this is the interface of the DJI Fly application. So you have to turn on the RC controller. So I have turned on to my DJI Mavic Mini also, and I am going to turn on this one. Just you have to double press this one. Okay, so now we can see here the RC controller is turned on. So after that, so now we can see it is going to be connected. So after connected, so now you can see it is connected. So you have to open your DJI Mavic Mini. You have to open your DJI Fly application. So after connecting, so now you can see here there is two type of light is blinking, green and red type of indicator is blinking here, right? So now you can see here. Now my RC controller is connected to my DJI Mavic Mini Drone. So in this way you can easily set up or easily connect your DJI Mavic Mini Drone with your RC controller. Thank you so much.